Hello everyone. I came with another topic on conflict resolution today. And before going to the topic, I want to ask a few questions related to how you are going to resolve your conflicts in the relationship and what are the things required for you to move away from your conflicts in the relationships. Because lot of times in our life we don't understand certain things even though we are in the relationship for the long time. The main thing here we need to tell is here here every time in the relationships we have emotional bank plays major important role in the relationships, and it will help you to move forward, and we need to make give and take in this emotional bank. If you deposit more in this emotional bank, you can get good returns from that emotional bank. Lot of people don't understand how to be increase their emotional bank in the relationship. That is one of the important thing we need to consider here in the relationship especially. The main thing we need to take care the main thing we need to take care about how we are giving space for them to have the best form in their relationship, and how to overcome certain situations, and we need to give certain space to the people. They can able to express their own feelings. They can able to express their own supportive things in the relationship. That is one of the important thing here. Every time in relationship, the maturity will happen when there is a little bit of conflict and little bit of understanding. In the initial phase of the journey in the relationship, they will show up each other. But day by day, if they are going into the relationship and they will take the things as a granted, so the the spark in the relationship become decreased day by day. So we need to elevate that spark. We need to increase that emotional bank in the relationship, and it will help you more to get more in the relationship. The trust will affect more in the relationship, and that will make you in the best form of the relationship. That is one of the important thing we need to consider. And every time we need to think from other people's shoes. We need to think what exactly your partner is thinking about, and what you can make in such a way that you can get more in the relationship. These are the things we need to take care to resolve any conflicts in the relationship. That is one of the important thing we need to consider. And this is it for today. And thank you very much for the people who are watching me all my videos. And thank you all, thank you once again.